We have Alex. Alex, what part of New York are you in from?
Monroe, New York.
Monroe, New York. So you drove in from Monroe, New York. You got here, what, on Thursday
Thursday night.
for the Friday business class? What do you think of the Friday business class?
The Friday business class is very informative. It helped me understand how to expand my business. Go to the Chamber of Commerce. Get my name out there. Mingle with other business owners. So,
Excellent.
yes,
Excellent.
definitely
So you
gonna do that.
definitely think it's going to help you?
Yes,
Okay. What about Saturday's exterior day? The contact wash, paint correction, ceramic coating. You felt that you learned a lot that day?
definitely learned a lot. Learned how to paint correct. Learned how to put a ceramic coating on. It was easy as you guys were showing me. I guess on YouTube it looks a little more complicated, but it's not that complicated.
Sure. So we made it a lot more streamlined for
Yes,
you.
yes.
Excellent. What about Sunday, today's training? Today was the interior training and the headlight restoration.
Yes, I do a lot of interior detailing back at home, so it was definitely helpful to understand a regimen to do it at,
Sure.
in order to do it, how
Think-
to do it properly.
Sure. Do you think this will cut down on your times without cutting corners?
Definitely.
Excellent. All right. Well, you're a great student. Congratulations. You are now. Details are certified. My man. Thank you.